Creating wooden flower boxes and plant pots can be an enjoyable and rewarding woodworking project. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden flower box and wooden plant pot ideas you can make as a mini woodworking project ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. These projects not only allow for creativity, but also serve practical purposes in gardening and home decor. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, there are many ways to explore your skills while bringing a touch of nature into your space. When selecting wood for your projects, consider using cedar, redwood, or pressure-treated lumber. Cedar is particularly popular due to its natural resistance to rot and insects, making it a long-lasting option for outdoor projects. You could also use reclaimed wood for an eco-friendly approach, giving new life to materials that might otherwise go to waste. For the flower box, a simple rectangular planter can serve as a great starter project. Start by cutting your lumber to size. A common dimension for a medium planter might be 24 inches long, 12 inches wide, and 12 inches high. Assemble the sides first, using wood screws or wood glue reinforced with corner brackets for added stability. Once the sides are secured, add a bottom by attaching another piece of wood to the base. It's good practice to drill drainage holes in the bottom to prevent water from accumulating, which could rot the wood and harm the plants. Alternatively, you can line the bottom with landscape fabric, which allows for drainage while keeping the soil contained. You can customize your flower box by adding decorative elements like a routed edge, painted designs, or a stencil of your favorite quote. A weather-resistant finish is a must if the planter will be left outdoors. This could be a good time to experiment with various finishes, such as stains, paints, or sealants. Not only do these products protect the wood from moisture and UV rays, but they also enhance the appearance of the piece. Having a variety of stains can allow you to match the planter to your outdoor decor or home aesthetics. Another idea is to create a tiered flower box. This involves constructing multiple boxes of diminishing size that stack upon one another. Start by making the largest box at the base and progressively scale down each level. This design not only looks great, but also provides more room for different types of plants at various heights, creating visual interest. Another variation involves making a window box that can be mounted on the outside of a window for a great display of flowers or greenery. These boxes generally have a built-in support system that allows you to attach them securely. Again, remember to ensure proper drainage and consider using a liner to keep the soil from leaking out. Wooden plant pots can range from simple to intricate designs. A straightforward project involves using wooden slats to create a round plant pot. The process begins with cutting your lumber into strips of equal width. You can then bend these strips to form a circular shape. Use clamps to hold them together while you secure them. For added aesthetic appeal, you could incorporate metal bands around the circumference, mimicking the look of traditional whiskey barrels. Applying a clear weatherproof sealant is advised to protect the wood and provide longevity. This type of pot can be an eye-catching addition to any indoor or outdoor space. For those who desire something a bit more elaborate, consider a wooden planter with built-in shelves. This design consists of multiple horizontal platforms, allowing you to place pots on various levels. It's a particularly effective way to showcase smaller plants or herbs while saving space. Construct the frame first, ensuring stability since it will bear the weight of the plants and soil. Another interesting design includes incorporating a self-watering feature. This can be accomplished by creating a reservoir at the base of the planter. By drilling a small hole between the reservoir and the planting area, you can allow the soil to absorb water as needed. Such a design minimizes the frequency of watering and helps maintain healthy plants. Additionally, think about making hanging planters. These can be individual pots that are mounted from a ceiling, porch, or railing using sturdy hooks or chains. Start with the same principles as a regular pot, but consider the weight distribution to ensure the safety and stability of the design. Hanging pots can be made from a single piece of wood shaped into a bowl or multiple slats joined together. Consider utilizing different shapes for your pots. Triangular, square, or even irregular organic designs can add character and charm to your garden. You can create a geometric look by intersecting various shapes together. This requires careful measuring and cutting, but can lead to unique, artistic outcomes that stand out in any setting. If you are working with children or beginners, consider making simple birdhouse-shaped planters. This involves cutting pieces that mimic the shape of a small house. The front can have a door or small entrance, which adds a whimsical touch and can be a fun learning project about plant care and responsibilities. Another creative woodworking idea is to build a vertical garden structure that doubles as a planter. This structure can be made of various wooden segments, creating pockets for herbs or flowers to grow. Vertical gardens are space-efficient and perfect for smaller patios or urban spaces. As you progress with these projects, be sure to take safety precautions seriously. Always wear proper protective gear, including goggles and dust masks, especially when sanding or cutting wood. Following safety protocols not only protects you, but also ensures that your woodworking experience is enjoyable and rewarding. For those looking to incorporate additional technology into their projects, consider constructing a planter with integrated lighting. Using solar-powered LED lights can enhance the beauty of the flowers during the evening and allow you to enjoy the results of your hard work even after the sun goes down. Exploring the natural grain and textures of different wood types can add unique character to your projects. Different wood species react to stains and finishes in interesting ways, so take advantage of this by creating sample pieces before tackling your final project. This allows you to see how different treatments can change the appearance of the wood. Once you've completed a project, think about how you can continue to grow your skills. Perhaps create a series of planters to give as gifts, or challenge yourself by making larger installations. Working with wood doesn't just yield beautiful and functional items, it also fosters a sense of accomplishment and connection to the creative process. Connect with your community through woodworking workshops or by joining local maker spaces. Collaborating with others can provide new perspectives and techniques while enhancing your woodworking skills. Share your creations on social media or with local gardening clubs to inspire others and receive feedback. In summary, the world of wooden flower boxes and plant pots is vast and filled with opportunities for creativity and skill building. By selecting the right materials, planning your designs, and applying various woodworking techniques, you can create stunning pieces that enhance your home and garden. Embrace the process, experiment with different ideas, and enjoy the beauty of nature in your handcrafted wooden creations. These projects not only beautify your space, but also provide a heartfelt sense of accomplishment and a testament to your craftsmanship. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.